You have two versions of a spreadsheet and need to know exactly which cells changed. Not rows, not columns, individual cells. This is SheetDiff's cell-by-cell comparison mode. Let me show you how it works. I have two versions of an employee directory. The Q1 report and the Q2 update. Same 15 employees, same structure, but some data has changed. The question is, which cells exactly? In Settings, I switch to cell-by-cell mode and choose the ID column as the key. This ensures rows are matched by employee ID, not by position. Compare mode is set to exact, meaning even a single character difference counts. Which sheets to compare? I'll pick those in the next step. Save. I run the comparison. And the Compare picker opens. I pick Q1 report as the baseline and check Q2 update. The complexity bar gives me a quick estimate of the workload. I click Compare. The engine matches rows by employee ID and compares every cell. A moment later, I see the results. About 90% of cells match, with 7 modified rows and 8 individual cells that differ. The SheetDiff viewer color codes everything. White rows are identical, no changes. Yellow rows have at least one difference, and the orange cells pinpoint exactly which fields changed. Below each yellow row, a light blue row shows the Q2 values for easy comparison. For example, here, Employee 1005's department changed from marketing to sales, and their salary was updated. Over here, 1012's email was corrected. Green rows at the bottom are new hires that only exist in Q2, and red rows are employees that were removed. SheetDiff also supports a smart compare mode, which ignores differences in capitalization, extra spaces, and special characters. I save, rerun the comparison, pick the same sheets again, and look, the match rate went up from 90 to almost 92%. That email that was flagged before, the only difference was a capital letter, and Smart Mode treats that as a match. Modified rows drop from 7 to 6. There's also a fuzzy mode for approximate matching, useful when data has been retyped or reformatted. That's cell-by-cell comparison. Every changed cell highlighted and color-coded, with the exact before and after values side by side. No scrolling, no squinting, just answers. Available inside SheetDiff for Google Sheets.